Welcome to Bollywood Gallery. We are introducing legendary Indian film actor Anil Kapoor's family. Anil Kapoor is an Indian actor and producer. He is best known for his roles in Bollywood movies. He was born on 24th December 1956 in Bombay, India. Anil Kapoor was born in a Punjabi family. His father, late Surinder Kapoor, was renowned film producer. His mother, Nirmal Kapoor, was also a film producer. He is the younger brother of the Indian film producer Bonnie Kapoor. His younger brother Sanjay Kapoor is an actor. He also has a sister, Reena Kapoor. Anil Kapoor shared how he fell in love with Sunita Bhambani's voice when they had their first conversation over the phone. He proposed Sunita, a costume designer and a former model. After his first successful movie, he tied the knot with Sunita Bhambani on 19th May 1984. The couple is blessed with 3 children. His son Harshavardhan Kapoor is an Indian actor by profession. Bollywood actress Sonam Kapoor is his elder daughter. Bollywood film producer Rhea Kapoor is his younger daughter. Actress Sridevi, Mahip Sandhu and Mona Shauri Kapoor are his sister-in-law. Film producer and businessman Sandeep Marwa is his brother-in-law. Arjun Kapoor, Mohit Marwa and Jahan Kapoor are his nephews. Anshula Kapoor, Janhvi Kapoor, Khushi Kapoor and Shanaya Kapoor are his nieces. According to some sources, he had an affair with actress Madhuri Dixit. The actor was also rumored to be dating actress Kimi Katkar. Anil made his debut in the Hindi film industry in 1979 with a cameo role in Hamare Tumhare. It was only after much struggle that Anil Kapoor was able to bag a lead role in the 1983 release Wo Saat Din. It was only in 1984, after the release of movies like Mashal and Meri Jung, that Anil became a well-known face in the film fraternity. Anil Kapoor gained instant stardom after the success of his film Mr. India, in which he worked alongside his sister-in-law, Sri Devi. Pukar was the turning point in his life as he received a total of 5 Filmfare nominations, awards, and also a National Film Institute Best Actor Award for his role in it. Subsequently, he was one of the biggest names in Indian cinema. Besides acting, he has also produced movies like Badhai Ho Badhai in 2002 and Gandhi My Father. Apart from acting in a number of Bollywood movies, Anil Kapoor also appeared in the British movie Slumdog Millionaire. The movie went on to win 4 Golden Globe Awards and received 10 Oscar nominations. In 2011, he appeared in yet another Hollywood movie, Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. So friends, if you want to watch your favorite celebrities video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe Bollywood Gallery.